India moves 95% of its trade by sea. 7,500 kilometers of coastline, 12 major ports, one of the largest seafaring workforces in the world, and until recently, almost none of the technology running beneath all of this was built in India. That is changing. Here are 13 Indian-founded companies building the AI infrastructure of our maritime future. First, the builders working from Indian soil. Number 1. Detail AI, Chennai. IT Madras incubated. Their fire-first system detects fire and smoke from live video, earlier than any conventional sensor. Built for the realities of life at sea, not a boardroom slide deck. Number 2, Docker Vision, Kochi, Kerala. Computer vision at port gates, automated container identification, real-time yard monitoring, reducing gate congestion, from right here in Kerala. Number 3, Planes Technologies, Chennai. India's first ROV manufacturer. Their robots inspect ship hulls and port jetties underwater. $21 million raised. ET Madras alumni behind it. Number 4, IROV, Ernakulam, Kochi. India's first commercial underwater drone. Serving the Indian Navy, Coast Guard, BPCL and Tata. Built in Kochi, by engineers who understood you need to be near the water to build for the water. Number 5, Blurgs AI, Bengaluru. ET Madras alumni. Their Trident platform fuses AIs, radar, satellite imagery and drone data into real-time maritime domain awareness. Already deployed along India's coastline. Bell signed a procurement contract under the IDEX scheme. Number 6. AI Transmute Solutions, Noida. AI decision engines for berth planning, tug allocation, and port optimization. Faster berth allocation. Shorter port calls. Less idle time at anchor. Number 7. Voyage X AI, Gurugram. Winner of the National Maritime Hackathon under India's Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. AI-powered fleet operations, crew management and predictive port intelligence. Number 8. PeerSight, Ahmedabad. Building India's own SAR and AIS satellite constellation. Detecting dark vessels, ships that switch off their AIs to hide. First commercial satellite launch planned for late 2026. $8 million raised. Founded by an ex-ISRO scientist. Number 9. Sagar Defense Engineering, Mumbai. India's first unmanned surface vehicle for the armed forces. Their drone was deployed during the MV Ruin piracy incident, monitoring the situation while keeping Indian sailors at a safe distance. Number 10. Tardid, Bengaluru. AI Predictive Maintenance for naval vessels. What works for the Indian Navy arrives on merchant vessels next. Now, Indian-founded companies operating from global bases. Number 11. Mariapps Marine Solutions, Singapore headquarters. Engineering in Mumbai and Kochi. Building maritime ERPs and the Ocean AI module for ship management and voyage optimization. Founder, Sankar Raghavan. Number 12. The Ocean AI, Dubai. Maritime Intelligence and Workflow Automation for chartering and commercial shipping teams. Founder, Pallav Sharma. Number 13. Shipscart, Singapore. India's first B2B marketplace for ship procurement, spares, stores, provisions. Annual revenue, 16.6 million Singapore dollars. Building the Amazon for ship supply chains. And one government initiative worth watching. VOC Port Trust in Thoothukudi is implementing a digital twin of port operations, real-time AI modeling of vessel movements, and berth utilization. When India's major ports adopt digital twin architecture, the transformation becomes systemic. These are not concept companies. They are building fire detection cameras for your deck, ROVs for your hull, satellites watching your route, AI optimizing your port call. So viewers, is the Indian maritime AI ecosystem catching up? If you are sure, then name a few Indian maritime AI companies in the comments. The real question is simple. Are you building the literacy to use it? I cover this every week in Marine Intelligence Weekly, the newsletter tracking AI and maritime, written from the engine room. Subscribe via the link in the description. I am Nixon Anthony, second engineer, Maersk Container Fleet, founder, Marine Intelligence Weekly. See you next week.